Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing essentials. Enable Find My on your iPhone and confirm you're signed into the same Apple ID. Then, charge the AirPods Pro 2 and keep them in the case close to your phone. This ensures they can communicate. Once done, open the case near the iPhone to confirm pairing and Bluetooth visibility, because a connected device reports its position. Make sure iOS is updated. New firmware improves location accuracy, so you don't lose precision later. Now move into the app. Open Find My, choose Devices, and tap your AirPods Pro 2 to see their status. Use Play Sound for quick audio locating. If you're within range and the U1 chip is active, use precision finding to get on-screen arrows and distance. If they are offline, check the last seen map pin and timestamp so you know where to start searching. Once you've set Notify when found, Apple's network will alert you if another device detects them. This increases recovery odds. Finish by prioritizing safety and ownership. If you spot them nearby, use Play Sound or follow directions to the last seen pin and retrieve them quickly. If not, mark them as lost so your contact info shows and the device is locked to your Apple ID. This prevents pairing by others. If recovery fails, erase the AirPods and report the loss to local authorities with the serial number. Troubleshooting tip: if they show offline, make sure Bluetooth and Find My are enabled, update firmware, or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.